Hi, Catherine. Thank you for your email. I'm glad you're settled here in San Antonio. I thought doing a video and showing you what you're missing was easier than me trying to type it out and you figure what assignments I was talking about. So I am in your, Canvas account right now, and you can see as I slowly scroll down here, the things that I am still missing from you is your mission statement, your degree planning assignment, the occupation investigation worksheet, the procrastination discussion, your monthly calendar and the reflection that goes along with it, the motivation discussion. You have this assignment on personality and learning, and the mindset and grit assignment. So these are the ones that are still coming due. They're not past due at this point, but these two will be due by this Sunday, and then these three by next Sunday, December 5th, and then the final by December 8th. So I will, here's where several of them are, kind of put that into the screenshot for you so that you can see and that mission statement there. So I hope this helps. I absolutely encourage you to get those done. I will accept any late work from you. If you have any questions about the assignment, they should all open up for you, but if you have any problems, just let me know. Thank you, and I appreciate your efforts to get caught up. Have a great week.